It's a 2020 Toyota Corolla. It's time to make your move, and the next chapter is ushered in by this Corolla. It's well equipped with the features you need: configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated sports seats, smart device navigation, inline 4-cylinder engine, leather steering wheel, doors and push-button start proximity key, streaming audio, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic continuously variable transmission. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Experience it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.